Greetings, it's Will from stormthecastle.com. Check out my website if you'd like to make things. Thanks for watching. I got a fun cardboard project for you today. I've got a lot of cardboard projects, and I'm making more. Today's book video project is a Tibetan prayer wheel. I give you everything you need. The template, the parts, everything. So let's take another look at it. There's a little prayer sheet. I even give you that in the template. You write a prayer on it or whatever you like on it. You put it inside the prayer wheel. And then you spin the prayer. And those graphics there that I have those in the template too. And if you don't want to design up or draw your own graphics, you can color it yourself with crayons or pencils or markers or any way you want. But I do have those for you. Let me tell you what you need here to make this project. There's the template. It includes step-by-step directions, which is not difficult. And it includes all the template parts. So you need scissors. Now this is important. A round pencil as long as possible, sharpened on one end. A little bit of clay, some string, some glue, some cellophane tape, and a piece of paper, and some cardboard. About a square foot of cardboard. Here are the parts in the template. And I'm going to put a little note in here, the screen, to show you what part we're currently working on. Like this is part 1, the wheelbase. You cut that out of the template and you trace it onto cardboard twice. Make 2 of them. And you glue them together, but it's important for strength that you get the orientation. See the way the corrugations go? Those arrows show you how the corrugations go. Alternate them. One is left to right and the other is up to down. Glue them together, avoiding that center hole. And you'll see why in a minute. You want to pierce your sharpened pencil. And did I say it? The pencil is, get a pencil as long as possible, sharpened on one end, and round. And now, pierce that through your stack and wiggle it around really good so it will spin freely. That's the rotation of the wheel, like that. See how it spins freely? That's pretty good. Now, part 2, the center column. Cut out the template. Transfer that to cardboard, noting the direction of the corrugations. That's important. Then peel off the top layer of craft paper and set it aside. Now take your pencil and loosely wrap it around your pencil with the flat paper side inwards towards the pencil. See, the corrugations are showing outward. And you want it loose, see, because this is an axle that it spins on, so you want it to spin freely. But go ahead and use some cellophane tape to tape that up. Very good, nice and loose. Now use your pencil here, the blunt end or the racer end of your pencil, like this. Insert it like that. And we're going to glue it in place. Now be careful. Try not to get the glue in the hole or on the pencil, or else it's going to kind of clog things up. You just want to adhere those 2 cardboard pieces together, the center column and the base plate. And set it aside to dry. We'll work on some other parts now. Part 3, the wheel wall. Notice the direction of the corrugations. It's important. And go ahead and peel off the top layer of craft paper. I won't show you that whole process. It's okay if it gets messy. Sometimes the craft paper comes off really easy. Sometimes it's a little messy. That's okay. Do the best you can. I've gotten pretty good at it. And then remove about a ½ inch of the corrugated sheet in the middle there. The rippled section, remove about a ½ inch off the end of that. Just like that. Because that's a glue. It's going to glue like this. See it? Very nice. But not yet. Don't glue it yet. Okay, so now let's check our assembly there. Looks good, still spinning very freely, and it's pretty dry. Now let's glue our wheel wall to it. It's a fun project. You can have this done in no time. And it's just testament. It shows you how versatile that cardboard is. I love cardboard. I've written a book on cardboard projects. I've done a bunch of them here on my YouTube channel, and I got more coming. I've even got a cardboard castle that's amazing. I believe it's amazing. Check out that video. Okay, part 4, the top cover. Transfer that to cardboard, cut it out. It's going to go on like that, and then use your pencil to pierce the hole. Now this one you don't wiggle around. You want this one to be snug. This is like a locking top cover. So don't open up that hole any more than you need to. Just snug the pencil through there. It'll hold your prayer sheet. Okay, part 5, the inner handle. Now we're going to make the handle. Notice the direction of the corrugations. Peel off the paper, just like we did before. This one I had more trouble with. That's okay. Now, we're going to glue this to our pencil with the pointed end hidden. And off the other end, you want 3 inches, or a little bit more. I'd say a little bit more. Do 3¼ inches about. Gives you a little bit extra room. 3 inches, 3¼ inches. Depending on the cardboard you use, it varies a little bit. And then wrap it up. Nice and tight. You don't want this to slip. That's why we glued it. And then tape it. Because it's going to stay. Your pencil's going to stay there. Now it's set in place. Whereas in the other part, in the wheel, the pencil freely floats inside it. But in this part, the handle, we want our pencil to be firmly secured inside this handle. Now the outer handle, and then this makes it look really good. Part 6, you just cut it out and you peel off the top layer of paper and then glue it and tape it to your inner handle with, notice on the left side there, the side opposite the pencil is flush. It gives us a nice look at the top of at the top. I'll show you again. The side opposite the pencil, now it's on the right, but is flush. Oh, and on this part, I didn't mention, you had removed about a ½ inch of the corrugations there too, because it makes for a nice glue, a nice seal. See, there's no corrugations on that ½ inch there. Like that. And then, glue it and tape it. Use cellophane tape to tape it to make it nice and strong and it'll look good. So, I won't show you all the taping. Now you probably, if you don't have a round pencil, you probably can use a wooden pencil that's, what's it, hexagonal. You just have to be careful to make sure the parts that rotate cleanly. See, now try it. There we go. Nice, easy rotation. Very good. I like it. Okay, part 7, the anchor. Cut out the template, transfer that to the craft paper that you have plenty of now. You have plenty of that. You peeled it off a bunch of pieces. You're going to fold it up like that and pierce a hole in it. And you're going to glue it to the side of the wheel. Now I say you can use my decorations for this, for the whole thing, or make up your own decorations. The prayer wheels are very colorful. Many of them are like a silver color. Look it up. Looks good. Tie your string, that 8-inch piece of string, approximately to it. And now the final piece, the weight pouch, part 8. I use some Fimo. You use a piece of clay, anything that's, get some weight to it. You probably could squeeze a few coins in there if you needed to. But the important thing is that it has a little bit of weight to it. You fold that up and tape it in place and glue it. Makes like a little pouch. I'll show you a little bit more. Very, very simple to do. There you go. Now, run the other end of your string through it and tie a knot in it. Very good. And that's that. You can put it together and use it. Or at this point, you can use from the printout my decorations and glue them on now if you'd like. But it's done. So write out your prayer. And remember, never lose that sense of wonder. Thanks for watching this far into the video. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Put the prayer in the prayer wheel, and you're ready to go. Works really nice. I'm happy with this. It's a really wonderful project. It's just a little bit different. You can do all kinds of things with cardboard. Let's take one last look at my completed one with all the directions, with all the decorations on it. I should try to figure out one with sound. I think that'd be kind of cool. Can cardboard make sound? Yes, it can.